In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a column in Airtable. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking inventory, or managing simple lists, knowing how to quickly add a new column or field is essential to keeping your base flexible and up to date. We'll go step by step on desktop so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser on your computer and head over to the Airtable website. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type airtable.com and press enter. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual details. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace and a list of your bases, which are essentially your databases or projects. Next, click to open the base where you want to add a new column. A base can contain multiple tables, so if your base opens to the wrong table, look along the top or left side for the table names and select the one you want to work in. Make sure you're on the table where you actually want this new column to appear, since each table has its own separate set of fields. Now, check that you're in the grid view. This is the classic spreadsheet style layout that shows rows and columns. If you see a different layout, like a gallery of cards or a calendar, look for the view switcher, usually at the top left of the table, and choose the grid view from the list. You can only add columns this way from a grid style view. Once you're in the grid view, move to the far right of your table. You can do this by using the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the screen, or by using your trackpad or mouse wheel if it supports horizontal scrolling. Keep going until you reach the very last column in the table. At the end of the header row, right after the last column, you'll see a button with a plus sign, often labeled as Add Field. This is what you'll use to create your new column. Click that plus button. This opens a small panel or pop-up where you can define what your new field will look like and how it will behave. Start by entering a name for your new column. Click into the name box and type something clear and descriptive so you and anyone you share the base with can understand what belongs there. For example, you might name it due date, status, quantity, or notes, depending on the kind of information you're planning to store. Under the name, choose the field type. Airtable offers different types such as single line, text, number, date, checkbox, attachment, and more. Pick the type that best matches the kind of data you'll enter. For example, use text for general information, number for quantities or prices, date for deadlines or events, or attachment if you'll be adding files or images. Choosing the right type helps Airtable format and validate your data correctly. When you're happy with the name and field type, look for the button that says Create Field. Click this button to confirm your choices. Airtable will immediately add the new column to your table, placing it right where you clicked the plus button. You can now start entering data in that column for each record. That's all you need to do to add a column in Airtable, and you can repeat these steps anytime your base needs new information.